We are thrilled to present you the ultimate summer paradise, our magnificent Grand Manhattan Fiberglass Pool. With a stunning rectangular shape and a refreshing twist on classic design, it's the perfect way to welcome the beautiful summer season. The Grand Manhattan isn't just your average pool, it's an experience. Its unique layout features a very convenient elongated bench seat right in the middle, so you can unwind in style after a delightful swim. It's the ultimate relaxation zone that homeowners are raving about. But wait, there's more. Unlike traditional pools, we've placed our entry steps on the long side of the design. So, not only do you get a stylish approach to your pool, but also a larger area to host pool parties and entertain guests. It's modern, it's classy, and it's the perfect choice for those who love to have a great time. If you're looking for a pool that's as perfect for a chill-out Sunday as it is for entertaining large numbers of guests, the Grand Manhattan is your dream come true. Let's make your summer unforgettable together. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.